Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window of Snapchat and you click here in this page. Then this list of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.